Hey, we love to share our new sticky rice pudding recipe today. It's pretty, easy, and all about a good wish. A must for the Chinese New Year Eve dinner. You can't miss it. Let's get it started. Let's go and get some dry fruits. Thinking about the color combination for the pattern you want to create is a tips for your shopping. First, to mix a purple sticky rice with regular white sticky rice, 1 to 1. I used 3/4 cup for each to make 2 5-inch big puddings. I prefer the mixed rice color better, and it's easier to achieve a softer texture with 2 mixed rices. After rinsing the rice thoroughly, add 2 cups of water. Then use the rice cooker to cook the rice. This is all what I got today. I'm getting so excited. I'm going to make some fruit flowers as the next step. I'm trimming down some larger pieces to better fit the bowl. Ensure the pattern looks good proportionally. To make a neat presentation and a realistic flower looking, arrange all the cut edges at the bottom. I'm using papaya and a pineapple for the petal and the bum, but you can use any color, any fruits you like. You have to try it one day. I guarantee you will find this process absolutely delightful. The first flower is ready. It's pretty and fun. The next, cover the bowl with a steamable food wrap. Have a snug fit as possible. Get ready for the most exciting part, to create a pattern in the bowl. To put the flower and the other fruits upside down. It's a joyful experience to create your own dessert pattern. Mix colors, flavors, creating your own sweet masterpiece for the New Year dinner for your beloved families. The special ingredient called love. The unique flower pattern is completed. The sticky rice is cooked. Keep it aside to cool for a few minutes so it won't burn your fingers. Gently cover the dry fruits with rice. Don't shift the fruits. I'm adding some pre-made red bean paste and some dried fruits in the middle. You can also make your own red bean paste or other preferred paste. Cover it with sticky rice. And then wrap it so it won't get moistured later on during the steaming. The last step, let's steam it. After water boils, steam for another 30 minutes. Time to take it out. Let it cool down for 5 minutes first. Open the wraps, cover it with the plate, and flip it over. Time to experience the magic. Da 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 da!
Wow!
The tasty, pretty, sticky rice pudding is ready. It symbolizes the unity, happiness, and the prosperity for the new year. We'll give the other one to a friend as a New Year gift. Wish everyone Happy Lunar New Year!